The world's population has grown at an average rate of 1.9% per year since 1945. Okay, and we were told that there were about 4 billion people in 1945, and we want to know which of the following functions represents the world's population T years since 1975. Okay, so I'm sorry. Oh, this is actually the population in 1975. Oops, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so basically throughout from 1945 to now, this has been the rate, so that includes 1975 to now, basically. And so in 1975, there were 4 billion people. And how can we express this as a function? Well, think about it this way. If you wanted to find the population in 1976, so just 1 year after, you know that this is your average growth rate. So you would do basically, here, let me write it over here. You'd do basically 4, let's say billion, times what? 1.019. Reason being, it's like, basically you're multiplying it by 1, so it's like 100%, and then adding to that 0.019, so that's adding that 1.9%, because again, the population 1 year later should be like 100% of the previous plus, another little 1.9% growth on top of that. So, whatever that is, you'll get some number. Let's just call that X. Now, if you wanted to get the population in 1977, you would now just take whatever you got for X, and you would again just multiply that by 1.019. So again, this is 100% plus the little 1.9 growth, and that would give you some number. So as you see, for every year that we are for every year since 1975 that we want to find the population, we just keep multiplying it by this number. So for example, if I wanted to find instead of doing this like 2-step thing, if I wanted to find population in 1977 in 1 step, I would just do 4 times 1.019 times 1.019. That's basically what we just did. Alternatively, I can rewrite that as 4 times 1.019 squared. And so I think you see now where this is going, because basically up here we just put the number of years since 75, and that's how many times we need to multiply this, the number by this value to keep seeing the growth. So basically that comes out to P of t, so population as a function of time, is equal to 4 times 1.019 to the power of t. So however many years since 1975 we want to find it, we just put that number up here, and that gives us our population. So that is A.